All right, Tuesday morning, so what's in store for today? Well, right now, futures markets trading lower. We just had an announcement by the FDA, just came out about 5 minutes ago. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine that's been out there, that's the one-dose shot. They are asking that to be temporarily suspended for the time being due to some of these blood clotting cases, so that they can conduct a little due diligence and try and understand better what's going on. So the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, again, FDA comes out just now and says that they are asking that those doses basically be pulled off the shelf. Markets are lower on that news. We've got the Dow down over 100 right now. It's a big day outside of that because we have that inflation data. We talked about it yesterday. CPI comes out this morning, 7:30 a.m. Central Time, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Expectation, 0.5% increase month over month, 2.5% increase year over year. Now, that being said, a lot of traders are going to be looking at this number. One, we're expecting higher inflation. We've seen those rates move up. The economy's picking up steam. However, you're comparing that to really the height of the pandemic. So there was really only one way to go, which is up. So could be some very short-term volatility today on the back of that number. Traders on the street thinking that should subside in the days ahead as we get past what is just a headline number. Again, that's coming out here in about an hour's time. All right, folks, let's go get some today. Another big day, big week, earnings week, inflation data, Fed governors speaking this week, a lot of opportunity. I'll check in with you again tomorrow.